members. EJ Agency is testimony na kahit gaano kalaki, we can all accommodate you. But, you need to reach out. You need to reach out. Kasi kung hindi po, mahuhuli siya kayo talaga. Just reach out. Marami pong admins. Malaki ang management. And we are growing and growing. Nag-i-innovate pa. So, maraming communication. So, just reach out. Second is take part. Lahat po ng nandito, lahat ng mga nanalo, they took part. So, what I meant is take part. Kasi hindi lang po natatapos dito. Marami pa tayong pagsasamaan. Ang dami nga nating activities. Kabi-kabila, may challenges. One after the other. Minsan nga overlapping. So, and the third is grow. We grow together, hindi lang monetary, kundi yung personal, natin na, as a person, yung nade-develop sa atin, yun, masama-sama tayo. Kumbaga, we grow. And lastly is share. Kumbaga, see, lahat ng members, you are not only giving, your share, your take part, your portion, by being answering to the other members' query, malaking tulong po yun. Yung pagsagot-sagot o pag-like at love sa GC, yung ma-feel man lang ng UB na, welcome sila. Yung mga members natin na ang dami-daming nagpa-panel, sobra-sobra po sa ating lahat. Just take part. So, reach out, take part, grow, and share. Hindi po kayo maano niyo po yung belonging sa ating agency. Yun po. And one more thing, thank you so much sa Bigas founder. So, kung si Ed ay may yung death anniversary ng father, ako po ay sinurprise ng husband ko because we will be celebrating our 20th wedding anniversary this year. So, hindi ko alam, nakabili na siya ng ticket. So, parang haras na haras ako last week kasi I need to take leave. Yung magbaback up sa akin, bagong role lang yung aking position ngayon. So, talagang kung hindi ako sasama, ako lang hindi makakasama. So, I'll be going home in Philippines this next Friday. So, a few days po. And then, salamat sa bigas ibibigay ko sa aking mother-in-law. Thank you, founder. And, ano pang sasabihin ko? Yun lang. Basta reach out. Lahat kayo ay mahalaga sa amin. Lahat kayo ay mahalaga sa bawat isa. Hindi man kayo maisa-isa, pero once kayo mag-message, hindi po kayo i-disregard. Just reach out to us. Marami po kami. And lastly, thank you so much, founder and Ted. Ted really is my answered prayer. Answered prayer ko siya talaga. Nagdadasal talaga ako ng someone will really protect, love, and support you na talagang deserve mo naman. Thank you so much, founder. Wala na akong masasabi. And yung sabi mong biglaan, ako sanay na din ako dyan. Nung ako'y nag-start sa CLC, sa praise and sa parang nagsusulat pa ako dati ng dasal. Hanggang sa natutunan ko, just pray by the heart. Yung sabi niya, magsasalita na naman ako. Pero syempre, sa dami ng event natin, ayoko naman yung opening remarks ko na paulit-ulit. Okay lang kay pastor na paulit-ulit. But